Hey guys, welcome back. Jordan here with the Nutty Gnome Homestead. It is a beautiful day here in Southern Illinois. I believe it's April 10th or April 11th. We are out here in our garden getting ready to plant our green beans for the year. Now, normally in the past, you guys have seen me plant these, digging a hole with my finger and putting the bean in. This year, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be using one of these earthway seeders for planting our contender beans. Now, if you guys have seen some of our videos before or been with us for a while, you'll know I'm a big fan of these contender green beans. They're a 50-day bean. They're very, very productive, and they keep producing for about 3 or 4 good harvests. So what we're going to do is we're going to plant a 100-foot row times 3 today of these contender green beans. Now, if you'll come down here, I can show you. If you've never used one of these seeders before, they have a little disc wheel here with these little notches cut out in it. And as you move the wheel, it rotates the beans up into a slot, and they will drop down through a little tube into a furrow underneath and get planted. So these are super simple. They alleviate having to bend over, and if you got back injuries, which is really great. So guys, we're going to get these beans planted today, and I'm going to do it a whole lot quicker and easier than I normally do. So I'm going to fill up the hopper with some beans. Now these are contender beans that we have collected ourselves. So okay, let's go. All right, here we go, guys. That chain is going to help drag some of that really loose soil over top and plant our bean. And this works really, really well. So much easier than bending over to plant these beans. We are coming up to the end of our third round, back and forth on this 100-foot row. This has literally only taken me about 2 minutes to plant this 100-foot row 3 times the green beans. And there we go. That's it. So guys, if you guys have any questions or comments about planting your green beans, check out our other video first. We'll leave a link for it up here. These contender green beans are our absolute favorite here on the farm. They can well, they freeze well, they're really good just to have. And the best part, they're a 50-day bean. So you can have beans, if you plant them now in the middle of April, you can have beans by the end of May. So it really is that simple to plant this 100-foot row of green beans 3 times. Took me about 2 minutes, start to finish. It's super simple. Anybody can do this, and it saves a lot of strain on the back if you've had some back injuries or if you're a little older or whatnot. So till next time, guys, do me a favor, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. It really does help us out. Doesn't cost y'all anything, and we'll see you in the garden next time.